Party time! いただきます。
We're going to make some dough. I measured this the other day. I think it's roughly 350 grams.
How many pizzas are we making?
2. One pizza is a tray. So it's a large pizza. Flour's in. Next, we're going to put some yeast, 5 grams. Next, the salt. Now you want to put the salt on the opposite side of the yeast. Sugar on top of the yeast. Again, maybe 1.5 tablespoons. Some oil. So it starts to mix up. So we're going to go 1,
Glug,
2,
glug,
3,
glug.
4. We want it on the wetter side.
Okay, wow.
Take this off. So once we start to get it moving, I might add a little bit more flour actually, just in a sec. It's a little bit,
Okay.
just a tiny bit of flour. Okay, how are we doing? Oh yeah.
It's already starting to smell like
Yeah.
the yeast.
So then we need to prove this. We're going to use the heat from here. We can turn this to 50 degrees and just have it on there for half an hour. It should fill up this entire pan. Should do.
It's 2 small onions.
Large chicken breast, I suppose. So this one, we're going to put some salt. Everything does need a little bit of salt. To the chicken, I'm going to add some tandoor chicken seasoning. Three, 2, 1. 2, 1.
Like a baby bread. Really yucky.
Oh, okay.
You have to save it.
All right, okay. 15 minutes.
On the same heat?
On the same heat for 15 minutes.
How high do
Oh,
you set
so
it?
we're going to go for 190.
Right.
Okay, right, let's have a go. Okay, moment of truth. Now, we're cheating with sauce. I could make my own sauce. It's tomatoes cooked down with some basil, some salt, but it's such a hassle. And you can just buy this and it's fine. Ah, pizza base. Oh, this is your one, yeah?
Yes. It'll be mine, saggy. So nice.
I know, the smell of basil is great, right? Spinach.
Gonna be a very hearty pizza.
Oh, it is. Yeah. It's a proper meal. A little bit of olive oil, just to help everything cook a little bit. There we go. 35 minutes, but we might take it out before. We'll see how it's doing. Done. Pizza time.
Exciting.
Let's have a look.
It's always my favorite part. Wow. It's like party time.
Right. Okay. So, how much do you want? That kind of size?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
味見タイム。いただきます。
Careful now. It's hot.
あ、これはビールが欲しいですね。
もちろんこれはダイエットのものじゃないです。
自分で作ると調味料とか、トッピング調整できるのがすごくいいポイントだと思います。